So 8-inch. Two. There, now that should fit in there. Just. Ooh. So I want to stop in here for a moment. If you do have any questions about this, I have a whole second channel, Wood by Wright How To, and on that I go into detail and talk through the whole build. I'll leave a link to it down below, but anytime there's a video on this channel, there's also a corresponding how-to video on the other channel. So definitely take a look at that. Let's get back to the project. This. Okay. 2 1/2 inch. With that. And with that. About there. Okay. Too fast. Probably way off that line. Yeah, way off that line. Okay. These should slide together. Really nice and tight like. That's what I'm looking for. Oh, Should make this a little bit wider. Over here, wrong. Ever so slight little variances. Right there. This one too. Oh, shoot. When in doubt, super glue. It's a good thing the camera was turned off for that last one. Whew, wouldn't want to show that at all. Ooh, took that one down too thin. Too loose. Let's try it again. Oops, wrong way, this way. No, I cut them too short. $16 little pieces. There we go. Now I need this one to this one, which is 45 to 45. So let's figure that out. Oh, It's a little on the loose side. I want it a little tighter than that. So let's see if this fits in a better spot, because each one of these is going to be a little different. And that was a little loose too. And that one is, yeah, see, that one's nice. That's what I want that one to be. Yes. Just like that. Hey, look at that. Oh, so close. Oh, well, there we go. There we go. Not that one. And not that one. Oh, there we go. That one's good. So, two more. Kumiko-ish. Not the best I've ever done, but the best I've ever done hand tool. So there you go, Kumiko. This is a lot of fun. Now this is the first time I've actually gotten the chance to make this with hand tools. I've made it in the past with power tools, but yeah, this was a lot more fun to make it with hand tools. Power tools might be more accurate and more repeatable, but this was enjoyable. I'm probably going to work this into a few other projects. This was a lot of fun. And who knows, maybe I'll go down the whole Japanese rabbit hole. But we'll see. So I hope you like this. If you do have any questions, thoughts, ideas, snide remarks, throw those down in the comments. I do read through all of them, and I do answer as many of them as I could possibly get to. So thank you for that. All of those things really do help out the channel. Speaking of helping out the channel, I want to say thank you to all the patrons on Patreon, scrolling over to the side, as well as members on the channel who've clicked that little join button down below. Thank you. Without you guys, this channel wouldn't exist. I am not sponsored by any outside company. I want to keep this from you guys. So if I say something about something, you know it's from me. So thank you for that. If you do want to find out more about that, there are links to those down below. And until next time, have a wonderful day. Some might look at this and say, that's a lot of work. That's just like a big old Kumi no. But me, I want to look at this and go, ooh, Kumi, yes.